Thank you so much. Good day, people. We have another module on Trailhead called Opportunities List View. Before we begin, I encourage you and request you to subscribe to this channel to get free Trailhead module on. Please subscribe to this channel so that you can get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. You'll get notifications when you subscribe to this channel. Allow all notifications so that you get all notifications when a new module is being published. After subscription, we shall dive into the first unit. This one has only 4 learning objectives. Please, I encourage you to read the learning objectives. Please read through all the notes about opportunity and list view. We have screenshots. In order for you to get the best out of this module, please read all the notes. And at the end of it, you'll be tasked to do a quiz. What action can be taken directly from a record tile on the opportunities Kanban view? Create a new task, convert a lead to an opportunity, text SMS, an opportunity owner, associate a contact to an opportunity. The right answer here is A. True or false? Any opportunities list view must be created after an opportunity record is updated. This is false. I'll check my quiz and get it right. Thank you so much. Please stay tuned to this channel to get free Trailhead modules on Salesforce. Until then, bye-bye.